Hello, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I recreated this look. My dog is walking. So this is the look. Obviously the lighting of me right now and Miss Rihanna is different. Obviously she's freaking beautiful. But yeah, this is the look. I absolutely hate red lips, but I'm doing it for Rihanna. As soon as I possibly can, I'm removing this lipstick. But if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.